Hello, guys. As we studied in grammar lesson number 1 about sentences and type of sentences, today I'm going to introduce you all to an extremely important concept in grammar upon which the whole grammar is almost based, which is parts of speech. Parts of speech are categories of words that we use in our day to day spoken English and written English, and they are absolutely fundamental and absolutely essential. You can't really learn grammar without parts of speech. So, what are the various parts of speech then? We might have learned that in school, isn't it? You guys might have learned that in school or college. So, parts of speech are nouns, pronouns, adjectives, adverbs, verbs, conjunctions, prepositions, and interjections. So, as you guys can see, there are 8 parts of speech. So, you should never forget this. This is like the basic. Okay? So, we will again revise. The 8 parts of speech are nouns, pronouns, adjectives, adverbs, verbs, conjunctions, prepositions, and interjections. Okay? Now we will learn in detail each of these parts of speech. So, what are nouns basically? Nouns are names, or we refer to common things such as animals, objects, things, places, happenings, events, some geographical phenomena, planets, etc. So the list of nouns is very, very long. It's almost like infinite. There are so many nouns. So then, how are they categorized? Why are they classified? So they are further classified. The classification enables us to write more better sentences, more meaningful sentences, more sophisticated sentences, and they are divided into proper nouns. Focus on proper, that is a hint. Common nouns, focus on common. Abstract nouns, focus on abstract as a hint. Countable nouns, focus on countable as a hint. And uncountable nouns, focus on uncountable as a hint. Okay? These days, common nouns are also referred to as concrete nouns. These are just additional terminologies. It's always important to know the basics and the standard which has been going on for years together, right? So basically, there are these subcategories of nouns, which are proper nouns and common nouns and abstract nouns and countable nouns and uncountable nouns, isn't it? Now let us see what are proper nouns. As the word suggests, proper means you're properly referring to someone's name. So, name of people, for example, Jyuthica, Suresh, Leela, Anjali, etc. Names of places, say whether countries, India, America, capitals, Delhi, Washington, names of states, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, names of rivers, Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, okay, name of forts, Charminar, Golconda, etc. The list is long. Then, those are proper nouns basically. So, proper nouns are, we are referring to names, proper names of people, how we address them basically. Those are proper nouns. Then common nouns. Common nouns, as the word suggests, common. These are all the commonly occurring things that you see, whether they are animals, whether they are objects, like animals like tiger, lion, elephant, objects like pen, pencil, erasers, table, box, lunch box, everything, hotel, restaurant, film, anything common that you can think about sometimes is a common noun. Then you have something called as an abstract noun. This is an interesting category of a noun. In this noun, as the word suggests, abstract, something which is not realistic, something which you cannot see or touch, but you know, you can feel. So, the examples of abstract nouns are knowledge. Can you see knowledge? No. But you can feel it, whether somebody is knowledgeable, whether somebody has knowledge or not. Wisdom, a part of knowledge. Then bravery. Can you measure bravery? Somebody had bravery of 100%, somebody had bravery of 5. You cannot measure that. You cannot, but you can feel that whether somebody is courageous, somebody is brave, right? Or cleanliness. You can actually see, also feel that yes, somebody is so clean, or somebody maintains the spaces so clean. So all these attributes are qualities. These are abstract nouns. All right. Then you have something called as countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So you must know the difference. There's a slight difference between these. It's a tricky difference. Sometimes in life, whenever we are studying concepts, we tend to mix a lot of things. But countable and uncountable, as the word suggests, counting is something which you count, like head count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. You don't measure it. Measuring is different when you measure a quantity of something, like whether it's in kgs, or the measurement in terms of length, whether it is in meters, centimeters, or feet. So that is measurement, when you precisely measure something. Whereas counting is you just head count, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so countable nouns are the nouns which can be counted but which cannot be measured. Right? So examples of countable nouns are, say, we count the number of people, we count the number of apples, we can count the number of ribbons, we can count the number of, say, potatoes. Those are countable nouns. But uncountable nouns are the ones which cannot be head counted. Can you head count milk? Like when you have milk as a whole, can you see is this 1, 2, 3? No, you measure it. You measure its quantity. So milk is an uncountable noun. Sugar is an uncountable noun. Salt is an uncountable noun. Water is an uncountable noun. But they are measurable nouns. Understood the difference between countable nouns and uncountable nouns and the other types of nouns? Okay. So guys, when you're studying at home, when you're studying through the video lectures, you can write 5 sentences of all these categories, and if you want, you can send them to me in the comment section. So that will pretty much sum up your homework for the task. All right. So I'll again come tomorrow with the further categories of parts of speech. All right. So I hope the concept of nouns is clear with you all. For any queries, you can either email me, contact me on my number, or you can mention your query in my comments section. I'll try to address as soon as possible. Thank you very much, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.